Hello guys, welcome to yet another video tutorial of Shopify. In this video tutorial I will be telling you how you can add free shipping and free taxes on your Shopify dropshipping store. So let's without wasting time continue to the video. We are on the home page of our test store, which we have created last couple of videos about how to add discount codes and how to add staff accounts. If you haven't watched that video, go check that out. So we will go settings, and here you can see shipping and delivery. Here you can customize the shipping plans which you want to use. So we will go under shipping and we will click on manage rates, and you can see here all our product are listed here. So we will simply go down, and you will see shipping from. Under the shipping from, it is written shipping to rest of the world. It is calculating the shipping rates according to the DHL Express and USPS Express. So we will delete this listing and create a new shipping zone. Create a shipping zone, and we will be doing for United States. If you are doing for a UK or any other country in the world, you can just simply type the name and select the countries. So I will type in United States. Free shipping worldwide, although it is not worldwide. So under the free shipping worldwide zone, we care about United Kingdom and United States. So I will only add United States. I will remove United Kingdom, and we'll move on. And you can add, after that you can add rates here. So I highly recommend you guys to leave it free. If you leave it free, then there will be no barrier for the customer to purchase the item. If you charge the customer to ship it to them, there will be a conversion drop for your store. So charge no fees to customers. Here, if you want, you can add conditions here on item weight. You can add the shipping cost according to the item weight, or if you want a maximum, do not exceed the limit of courier companies, so you can add here. mm, and you can also charge them basis on the order price. So like you have maximum price and minimum price, so you can submit here. As you can see here, prices are free and shipping speed is 5 to 8 days. If you want to create worldwide shipping, you can simply go here and create rest of the world, and you can click done and add rates, and whatever you like you can add here, and you will click done. So as you can see here, uh, for the rest of the world rates are different, and for the United States the rates are different. So now we'll simply save. We will remove this because I don't want the rest of the countries. I will only target United States. So let's save. As you can see here, shipping rates are all set. So we will go back to the store, and we will try to check out with this product. As you can see here, shipping methods are mentioned here. Economy, that is our shipping courier name, and it is telling 5 to 8 days shipping, and it is free, no, free of cost. Now we will set up taxes. So again, go to the settings, and here under the shipping and delivery you can see taxes. So now you can see uh, taxes region. You can select and add taxes in that specific region. So you can set up here for United States. If you want to add taxes, you can add tax on each and every product. If you don't want, let it be. So I will create taxes, and you can tax each and every state. So I will charge tax here, and you can add sales ID here, or you can add it later. So I will collect sales tax. Now here you can see we will charge taxes on in this state. You can charge customer on the two types of taxes overrides. You can charge customer for shipping overrides, and you can charge customer for product overrides. You can also charge taxes on specific products, like you can select product from here. As you can see, all the products are listed here, and you can save here. So uh, on these products taxes are added. So we will simply remove, as we don't want to create entry barrier. So this was a short video tutorial of Shopify, how you can add shipping and taxes on Shopify dropshipping store. For those of you who are 15 minutes into this content, thank you very much for watching. I value your time, and because you are watching the entire video, I hope you are getting the whole value from this content. That's all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Peace.